guys, so today I have not a recipe, but it's something that I've seen online a lot and I really want to try it. Basically, it's no peel hard-boiled eggs that you do in the oven. So come along with me and I'll show you how I get this done. You just need your oven to go to 350. Get a regular muffin tin and spray it with cooking spray. And then just crack each of your eggs in here. I got me a bowl for my trash. I'm gonna wash my hands and let this finish coming up to temperature, and I'll be right back. Oven is preheated and I stuck my eggs in there, and now we wait 15 minutes. All right, so these came out of the oven and they've cooled all the way down. Sorry, I didn't film getting them out of the oven because I had a delivery person here, but they were in there for 15 minutes. You can see that a couple of them, like this one was like bubbled up way up over the top of it. And it kind of collapsed. So there must have been an air pocket in there. Obviously that one's where the yolk broke. But let me see if I can get one out of here. Look at that. It's just a perfect little egg. Now I do like mine with soft yolks, but let me see. I like salt and pepper on my eggs. Now they're obviously not as pretty as hard-boiled eggs, but they look good to me. All right, so let's try one of these eggs. Bon appetit. That's good. Oh my gosh. Y'all want to try this? Look at that. That's good. So if you want them a little harder cooked, you can see on the bottom mine are a little cooked. I'll actually probably leave them in there a little less because I like the whole thing to be runny. But that's good. Holy crap. And then you can just chop them up and put them in whatever you want. What the crap? Also, something else that I noticed about these eggs. I'm a textures person. I can't stand certain textures. Like, I love the taste of onions, but I don't like the texture, so I use onion powder because I can't stand the texture of regular onions. These have the exact same texture as regular boiled eggs. I don't know how. I love this. All right, well, y'all have a good day. I'm gonna finish my egg. Bye. You gonna say hi to the people? No. Baghura, what are you doing?